Hi, I'm Charlotte Lawson, a registered licensed dietitian here in Tampa Bay, Florida. And you may have been wondering there's easy ways to diet and lose weight, and the best idea might be eating a cookie diet. Dr. Siegel is a doctor and physician that has created a diet called the cookie diet. Now there's pros and cons just like there are to any diet. Some pros of this diet are that they're small cookies and they really take the thinking out of eating. These cookies normally end up being your supplement. You eat about 6 cookies a day and replace most of your meals, still sustain about a 500-calorie meal in the evening with a good serving of protein and vegetables. And that's about all you eat throughout the day. And I think the diet adds up to about only 1,000 calories per day. So in a con, this is a very extremely low-calorie diet, and typically low-calorie diets are not sustainable, nor are they very healthy to do, again, for a long period of time. Now also keep in mind, you're not having a whole lot of variety in your diet, so more than likely you might experience some sort of, fatigue with this diet, where you're going to want to try other things and enjoy other tastes. Ultimately, a well-rounded diet is what you want to look for, hitting all 5 food groups and enjoying all the different flavors. Keep in mind, any weight loss program should be less calories in, more calories out. Now these cookies are only about 90 calories a piece, and they are high fiber per cookie, higher in protein with some good amino acid combinations, and lower in fat. So again, they do help with the overall weight loss program, but keep in mind, probably not very sustainable. You're also going to be paying on a weekly basis for this type of diet. So ultimately, if you're looking for a weight loss plan, weigh your pros and cons. You can achieve this by a well-rounded diet and a great exercise program. I'm Charlotte, and eat happy.